Hi, this is Kenny Daigle with KD Cuts. I've just finished putting together a tote from a pattern I got at Tandy, a two-part design I'd like to show you. It's basically 16 inches across by 18 inches deep. You'll notice I've used Bison for one of the panels. For the other panel, I've used an acid-washed hair-on hide. I think that's a nice contrast. I've tooled the handles, and I've used oversized rivets to attach the handles to the bag. For a closure, I've used a decorative concho, and I've also used the oversized rivets to attach the top of the two panels. I've got this one for sale over at my Etsy site, kdcuts.etsy.com. It'll make the perfect gift for the right person. Go check it out. And if you found this video interesting, please hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. See you soon.